Welcome. Today we will discuss third part of trigonometric functions, compound, multiple and submultiple angles. Let us take first problem as if tan 77 degree plus cot 47 degree by tan 13 degree plus cot 43 degree cot is equal to tan 77 degree cot alpha. Given this is equal to that. Here all are in terms of known quantities. Only cot alpha is unknown. So from here we have to find the value of alpha. Options are 23 degree, 43 degree, 47 degree and 13 degree. So actually we have to find left hand side is equal to tan of 77 degree into cot of something, and that something will be alpha. For that purpose we start from left hand side. Left hand side is tan and cot we write in terms of sine and cos. Sine 77 cos plus cos 47 sine 47 by sine 13 by cos 13 plus cos 43 by sine 43 is equal to, here in numerator it is sine 77 sine 47 plus cos 47 cos 77. I write it. It is equal to cos 47 cos 77 plus sine 47 sine 77 by LCM is this, cos 77 into sine 47 into this plus that plus into LCM of that this one is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos of A minus B, that is 30 degree, into cos 13 by this is this one within first bracket. It is again cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is cos of 30 degree into this cos 77 sin 47. They cancel, cos 30 degree cancels from there. In denominator it is cos 77, only cos 77 and that. We want there one tan 77, so one sin 77 must be there. This can be written as, this one can be written as sin 77 and sine 47, keep it intact. This is sine 47. We have to find cot. Uh, this one is cos of cos 43, cos 713. Cos 13 is equal to, I have taken, they cancel, cos 77, this, sine 77, this one, and this one is sine, oh, sorry, sorry, this is actually, this one is cos 13 sine 43. Cos 13 into sine 43. This is sine. Now this is sine. Now sine 43 is your cos 47. So that it is equal to tan 77, this by that, and this by that is cot 47. So our answer is, this is equal to tan 77 into cot alpha. So alpha must be 47. So first option, that option is correct. That is option C is correct. Next problem. Next problem is, the value of sine 55 degree minus cos 55 degree by sine 10 degree. And options are given in numerical terms, rather 1 by root 2, then 2, 1 and root 2. These are the options. And 55 degree, sine 55 degree, cos 55 degree, and these values are not known to us. That's why we write it is sine 55, okay, minus, this can be expressed in terms of sine, so that sine C minus sine D, that formula can be used. This is cos of 90 degree minus 35 degree. So it is sine 35 degree by sine 10 degree. Now sine C minus sine D, it is 2 cos of C plus D, that is at 45 degree, into sine C minus D by 2, 2010 by sine 10. Oh, fine. So this cancels. So answer is 2 into 1 by root 2, that is root 2. So that option is correct. Now let us take our next problem, third problem for today. The value of sine pi by 18, sine 5 pi by 18 sine 7 pi by 18. The value of this is options 1 by root 18, 1 by 18, half, 1 by 8, 1 by 4. Now this is actually equal to sine. Pi means 180 degree. 180 degree by 18 is 10 degree. Sine 5 pi by 18 means 50 degree. And this is sine 70 degree is equal to sine 10 into sine of 60 minus 10 into sine of 60 plus 10. Now it is of the type sine a plus b into sine a minus b, take together. So it is equal to sine 10 into sine square a minus sine square b is equal to sine 10 into sine square 60, sine 60 root 3 by 2, so it is equal to 3 by 4 minus sine square 10. So it is equal to, taking 1 by 4 common, 1 by 4 sine 10 into 3 minus 4 sine square 10. Now multiply this sine 10 with this. So this is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sine 10 minus 4 sine cube 10. It's a formula of sine 3 theta. Here theta is 10. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So it is equal to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta means 30 degree. So that it is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 8 answer. So that option is correct. Now take our next problem. Next problem is the value of sine 36 degree, sine 72 degree, sine 108 degree and sine 144 degree. The value of these options are 5 by 16, 3 by 4, 1 by 16 and 1 by 4. These are the options. Achha. This one is equal to sine 36 degree, sine 72 degree. This is equal to sine of 180 minus 72. This one 180 minus 72. This is equal to 108. So sine 72 degree. And this is equal to 180 minus 36. This is 44, 144 is this. So sine 36. So it is equal to sine 36 into sine 72. This square, that is also square. This one. So that it is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 sine 36 sine 72 whole square. 4, this 4 balance. I put here 2 because it will give you a formula, and that formula is 2 sine A sine B. It is actually equal to cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B 36 minus cos of A plus B whole square is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 36 degree minus, this is sine, cos of 90 plus 18, 90 plus 18, so sine 18 degree, and it is second quadrant, so it will be positive, minus is converted to positive, so it is equal to 1 by 4 into, now cos 36 degree and sine 18 degree, their result are known to us. It is equal to root 5 plus 4 by 2 plus root 5, not 4, root 5 is a plus 1, 1 by 2, that whole square. Now they cancel, so root 5 by 4, root 5 by 4 into 2, so root 5 by 2 whole square, so it is 1 by 4 into root 5 by 2 whole square, 5 by 4, so 5 by 16 is our answer, so first option is correct. Now let us take our next problem. Next problem is if, just 1 minute. If sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1, then the value of cos to the power 6 plus cos to the power 12 plus cos to the power 3 cos to the power 10 plus 3 cos to the power 8x, it is 3 cos to the power 10x plus 3 cos to the power 8x. Its value is options 3 by 2, 0, 1 and 1 by 4. These are the options. So from the given relation, sin x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, that is cos square x. For that we can say cos square x is equal to sin x. So this thing is, it is sin cube x plus sin to the power 6x plus 3 sin to the power 5x plus 3 sin to the power 4x. So it is equal to sin x plus sin square x whole cube, sin cube, sin to the power 6, 3 sin x into sin square x, that is, so this square into that, this one, and 4 5 this one, so this is equal to that. And given that sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1, so it is nothing but 1 cube is equal to 1. So our third option is correct. Now let us take the next problem. Our next problem is the value of sine to the power 4x plus sine to the power 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine to the power 4 7 pi by 8. The value of that, we have to find the value of this. So few options are there, 4 options are there, and options are is actually 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 and 3 by 2. This one is actually there in sine to the power 4 pi by 8 and sine to the power 4 3 pi by 8 keep intact, and this is equal to this one pi minus 3 pi by 8, this one. So sine to the power 4 pi minus 3 pi by 8 is equal to sine to the power 4 3 pi by 8, and this one actually pi minus pi by 8. So sine pi minus pi by 8 is sine to the power 4 pi by 8. So sine to the power 4 pi by 8 is 2 times, and this is 2 times. So it is equal to 2 times sine to the power 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power 4 3 pi by 8. And now this is 2 times. Now we have to find now let us see what is the value of that. 3 pi by 8 can be written as pi by 2, means 4 pi by 2 minus this. This is actually 4 pi by 2 or 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8. It is 3 pi by 2. So this is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 8. This one, this angle. So it is equal to sine to the power 4 pi by 8 plus sine of this thing is that sine of this thing cos of pi by 8. So cos to the power 4 pi by 8. So now it is equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square minus whole square means this is a to the power a square plus b square is there. Product term have to adjust, minus 2 sine square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Is equal to 2 into, this is 1 minus 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square 2 into 1 minus, take actually whole square is there, we have to write that 2. So I have 4 half into 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. I think you have followed it. 2 is given there, that is 4. I have taken 4. So 2 by 4 is half, is equal to 2, 1 minus half into 2 sine A sine B, that is sine 2A, that is sine square pi by 4. 2 into 1 minus half into another half. It is 1 by root 2 whole square. So it is actually 3 by, it is actually, it is half 1. So answer is 1. Just 1 minute. Answer is 1. Okay, one option is there. So answer is 1. So this option is correct. The next problem. Achha, next problem is, if cos 2 alpha is equal to 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 by 3 minus cos 2 beta, then value of tan square alpha by tan square beta is options 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are options. We know that cos 2a in terms of tan square, it is actually 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So that this is equal to 1 minus tan square a we apply same formula, this formula here for cos 2 beta. So 3 into 1 minus by 3 minus cos 2 beta, same formula. I simplify this first. LCM of numerator and denominator will be cancelled. So it is 3 into 1 minus 1 minus tan square beta by 3 into that minus 1 plus tan square beta is equal to, constant is 2, minus 3 tan square beta minus tan square beta by, constant is 2, three minus 1 is 2, okay, and this is plus 4. Cancelling 2, 1 minus 2 tan square beta by 1 plus 2 tan square beta. So I get this is equal to that. Now by componendo and dividendo, this plus that on left hand side, so 2 divided by this minus that, 2 tan square alpha tan square a So here also this plus that. So 2 by this minus that 4 tan square beta tan square alpha. This is not a alpha. This is also alpha. So from there we can cancel 2 from there, 2 from there. That is 1 upon tan square alpha is equal to 1 by 2 tan square beta. So tan square alpha here, tan square alpha by tan square beta is equal to 2. So this option is correct. Next. If tan A is equal to pi, tan A is equal to pi, then value of 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos 3A, 1 plus cos 5A into 1 plus cos 7A into 1 plus cos 9A. The value of that, given this is equal to that, then value of this numerical value. So options are 1 half, 1 by 8 and 1 by 16. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. That we know. So it is equal to 1 plus cos A. So it is 2 cos square A by 2. This one is 2 cos square 3A by 2. Cos 5A, you see, cos 5A is equal to pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0. So this factor is simply 1. I am not writing it, only 1. Then this one by same argument 2 cos to the power 2 7A by 2 and into this one is 2 cos square 9A by 2. They together 4 2's are there. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. Now combine this with that. So it is cos A by 2 into cos 9A by 2 whole square. And combine this with that. Cos 3A by 2 into cos 7A by 2 whole square is equal to 2 cos A cos B. There is a formula 2 cos A cos B. Similarly 2 cos A cos B. So I have to put there 2, that is 4. There also 2 means 4. That's 16. Now put it there 2 cos A by 2 cos 9A by 2. Actually we have taken 4 there whole square into another 2 there 2 cos 3A by 2 into cos 7A by 2 whole square. Now 2 cos A cos B, that formula is sine of A minus B 2 cos A cos B, its formula is cos of tan A by 2, that is cos of 5A plus cos of this minus that 4a into same argument, this is equal to cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b, a minus cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is again cos 5a plus cos of this minus that 4a by 2 whole square. Cos 5a 0, this is cos 5a 0 because 5a is equal to pi by 2. So we get it is equal to cos 2a into cos 4a whole square. Now it is of the type cos a into cos b, and b is some that is twice of that. So this can be simplified very easily if I take there 2 sine 2a, 2 sine of 2a and cos 2a cos 4a whole square. What would happen? 2 sine a cos a. So we get a formula, and that formula is sine twice of that, that is sine 4a, and cos 4a is there by 2 sine 2a, 2 sine 2a whole square. Now, if we again put 2 there, we have to adjust here. Now this became another formula, same type, another formula. It is sine 8a, sine 8a by 4 sine 2a whole square. Now sine 8a from there can be written as pi minus 2a. Sine 8a is equal to pi minus 2a. So it is equal to sine of pi minus 2a by 4 sine of 2a whole square is equal to sine 4 is there, so 1 by 16 into the sine square 2a by sine square 2a, they cancel. So answer is 1 by 16, so that option is correct. Next problem. Next problem is if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then value of sine a plus sine b minus sine c divided by sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2. A plus b plus c is pi, then this by that. And its options are 1, 2, 4, 8. I try to simplify numerator. It is numerator sine a plus sine b minus sine c. There is a formula. 2 sine b minus sine c formula is 2 cos b plus c by 2 into sine b minus c by 2 is equal to sine a plus b plus c by 2, b plus c by 2 actually equal to pi by 2 minus a by 2. So cos b plus c by 2 is equal to cos of that, means sine a by 2. 2 sine a by 2 into sine b minus c by 2. This can be written as 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. So taking 2 sine a by 2 common, we get cos a by 2 plus, this has already been taken, sine of b minus c by 2. So is equal to 2 sine of a by 2. Now cos a by 2 can be taken in terms of sine. How? Now a is equal to pi minus b plus c. A by 2 is equal to, so cos a by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus that sine b plus c by 2. So it is sine b plus c by 2 plus sine b minus c by 2. So sine, it is of the type sine c plus sine d. So it is 2 sine a by 2 into 2 sine this plus that by 2. That is, c cancels, b by 2 plus b by 2 by 2. So it is b by 2 into sine of this minus that by 2, c by 2. So we get numerator is 4 into sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2. This is 4 times of that. So result is 4. So C, option C is correct. So thank you for today. If you like this video, please try to share it, like it, and subscribe it. Once again, I thank you.